Let's talk about our third-party apps, okay? So this is where it gets really challenging. Not only you've signed your BAA, you've tagged your apps for HIPAA compliance, you've gone through the implementation guide, you think you're good on the configuration, but now if you have a couple of apps that you need to use, you need to vet those. You need to have a BAA for every app that you're using on the HIPAA compliant instance. Things to note: scope, like when you're thinking of a HIPAA compliant app, or you're looking at apps to determine, can we use it or not? Some things that you need to look at. What are the scopes for it? If it has read access to anything, it does have access to PHI data. If it if it has any integration pushes that push Jira payloads to external third-party servers outside of your perimeter. Are there outbound webhooks? Do they support data residency? What does data residency mean? That means you're able to specify my data can only be hosted in this area, in this boundary. Do they support that? Are they able to confirm, verify, and provide, if you have those stipulations, that they will only be storing your data in that area? Also check vendor badges in the marketplace. All of this information should be able to be found easily in the marketplace listing, but also look for vendor badges. Do they specify that they're SOC 2 compliant? Do they specify that they have HIPAA compliance within their app breakdown? Do they have the ISO compliance certification? Look for those things. Those are good key indicators that they would be safe for your HIPAA compliant instance. After implementing Jira for over 200 companies, we've seen the same failure story over and over. The Jira adoption started out small and then grew into a free-for-all mangled web of customizations that just didn't scale. If that's you, that's exactly what we help you fix. If you want help implementing or fixing Jira in a way that will grow with you no matter your success, hit the first link in the description below.